Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial video again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete your Telegram username on Telegram app. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to delete your Telegram username on the Telegram app, let's open up our Telegram app first. And after that, after landing on this interface of your account, you can see the three line icon on the top right corner of your screen just beside the Telegram. Tap on the three line icon, and after that you can see the settings option available over here just below the saved messages. Tap on settings, and after that you can see the Mad Boy Dub or my username over here under the category account just below my number. Tap on username like this, and after that, if you have assigned a username, clear out the username first and tap on done. And there guys, we have successfully deleted our username from Telegram account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.